I'm going to show you how to customize your taskbar in Windows 11 by moving the Start button to the left side of your screen. Stay with me to the end for a free bonus. This tutorial is about how to move the Windows Start button to the left. Many people prefer this on the left side of the taskbar because it feels more familiar. Here are 6 easy steps to move the Start button. The first one, will right-click down here on the taskbar settings. And then left click on taskbar settings. That opens it up. Now number 3 is scroll down and click taskbar behaviors. Left click on there. Now we're going to change it from center to left. And now we close the window. The Start button Windows logo will immediately move to the left corner, just like the old versions of Windows. Grab your free bonus. I've written the instructions in a free download for you. You'll find the link below this video in the first pinned comment. Just click it when you're ready. You can print it or save it to your computer. Thanks for visiting my channel. If you found this helpful, please subscribe. Also, what topics would you like me to teach on? Any easy topic is good, any Windows 11. So tell me what you want. Thank you for visiting.